Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning yourself low over the bike, knees bent, weight centered but slightly rearward. Grip the bars firm and set the clutch bite if applicable. This gives controlled pop. Roll at a steady 8-12 km/h, then compress and pull. Shift weight back while giving a short, sharp throttle pulse to lift the front. Once the wheel rises, feather the throttle to hold height. Use the rear brake to lower. Practice small pops until you trust the balance. Once airborne, you must read the bike's pitch and respond fast. Small throttle blips correct forward or backward tilt. Sit with hips back but keep chest forward enough to steer. This prevents tipping over backward. Make tiny rear brake taps if you feel over-rotating. Conversely, add a breath of throttle to rise. Keep elbows soft and use subtle body shifts to counter yaw. Practice holding for 1 to 3 seconds, then set the front down smoothly with a controlled brake or throttle reduction. To finish, prepare the bike to touch down. Gradually reduce throttle and move weight slightly forward. A light rear brake tap will bring the wheel down without a slam. If you over-rotate and threaten a flip, clamp the rear brake hard, lean forward, and get the front down fast. If the front collapses, don't grab sudden throttle. Provide a steady, small roll-on and stand slightly to let the wheel settle under you. Once done, review input timing and repeat slowly to build consistency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.